Hi, to turn on and off screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings on the phone. From here, you need to find the tab which is named Display. Then scroll all the way down and you'll see Screensaver. So you can show a screensaver after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. And to enable it, you will need to pick any of those four options. To disable, just choose none. Now let's enable it and select, for example, colors. And after that, we can tap preview and check how it will actually look. So here it is. We can also switch to this preset of photos or photo frames. And we need to actually choose photos, so tap settings icon, allow access, then choose what would be displayed and go back. Now tap preview, and this is basically how it will look. This is just because I have selected screenshots. And also we can switch to Google Photos, also tap settings icon, select what we want to see in our photos and then tap preview and all of your selected photos would be displayed. So that's actually how screensaver works. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.